guys, this is Crashman55 and I'm here with an unboxing video. I haven't never done one of these kinds before, but I don't have a PS4, so I went and I bought a PS4 Slim, which released 6 days ago, I think, around there. So, and then the nearest place was like Rock 30 Games for here. So what I did is I just picked up the Uncharted thing, the Uncharted 1. You can tell it's still new because, yeah, okay, way too big. It's this right here. This is the 500 gigabyte one. It comes with the PlayStation 4 Slim. Oh gosh, that's gonna be hard. Right. PlayStation 4 Slim can slightly redesigned controller and Uncharted 4. So, you know, let's see, let's just crack it open. Sorry for the noise. Basically the same as a, it is basically the same as a PlayStation 4, but with, what I've seen is it's lighter, smaller, has less power consumption. If I'm not entirely sure about that, so go ahead. You just check it out of the box. It's the same as the regular one. You see the box is right there. And the contents that come in here is PlayStation 4 system, DualShock 4 wireless controller. They actually give you a disc, a hard copy of Uncharted 4, HDMI cable, AC power cord, the headset that comes with it, you know, the crappy one, the USB cable, and then the instruction manual, which says here printed materials not shown. So, you know, and it's the jet black one. The model number's CUH2015A. If anybody wants to know the model number, because sometimes, yeah, you might want to. But it opens, and it actually opens from over here. So if you pull it out of the box, it's going to open on that end. So pretty much the end facing you if you're opening it right. And there's that. And let's just get. Nope, it's not going to. And yes, I do love chicken nuggets. Thank you very much. So, you have all the stuff in the first department. So it's the DualShock controller, the HDMI cable, the power cable, because the one, so unlike the PlayStation 4, which it didn't have a power brick, but you know, the Xbox One did. Now the One S doesn't. So this one doesn't have one either. And here is the cable, basically a 3.5. No, wait, no. So but I just messed up. It's a micro USB cable for charging basically the controller and any Android phone. I was thinking 3.5 because I was thinking audio. And then the headset comes with it. Standard one. That's crap in, you know, that. But there's all that. I'm gonna set that down by my feet. And okay. Okay. And the Uncharted 4 game is in there. Let me get that real quick. that is the contents of the box right there. So you get this thing right here. This is best place to play. What is it exactly? Tells you about PlayStation Plus. It's basically just one of those. Oh, hey, we have all these features, and yeah. PlayStation Now, PlayStation Store, Spotify on PlayStation Music, month of Spotify free, PlayStation View, which is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's basically PlayStation TV, and then you have your quick start guide, which I'm not going to delve into that, because, meh, really. Uncharted 4, I kind of like it that they give you a physical disc, because most of the ones they've been giving you most of them are just, what's the word, digital downloads, and the cardboard just fell off and such, so yeah. But there's that. Just kind of like throwing things around me, so if you see them, just disregard it completely. I know you can't see my face. So for the unveiling of it, I guess, which there. So it's this right here, and on the bottom you can see, as you can see, it's the square, triangle, X, and circle, which are the four things of the, which are the buttons. So I guess that's nice that they added those as the feet to the PlayStation 4, and it's a, you can tell it's a matte. It's like a matte now, so it's not glossy and fingerprint magnety. Blah. And then on the front, you can see right here. So physical buttons. You have the power right here, and the eject is a small button. Here's that. There's those two right there. I'm just following the camera now. That's it. And on the back we have dropped it. It's at $2.99 US dollars.